Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of clicking buttons and typing words, let's set the stage. Why is Basecamp's messaging system so effective, and why should you care? Well, think about it. In a traditional email setup, important project updates can easily get buried under an avalanche of newsletters, marketing promotions, and irrelevant replies. Slack, while great for quick chats, can become a fire hose of information, making it hard to track decisions and essential discussions. Basecamp, on the other hand, centralizes your project communication. It provides a dedicated space for specific discussions, ensuring everyone involved has access to the same information in an organized and easily searchable format. This means less confusion, fewer missed deadlines, and a more streamlined workflow for everyone on your team. The beauty of Basecamp's messaging lies in its simplicity and its ability to keep conversations focused. It's not just about sending a quick note. It's about creating a clear, trackable record of decisions, updates, and discussions related to your projects. Imagine being able to quickly find the exact conversation about a design change from 3 months ago, or revisit the discussion that led to a specific project pivot. That's the power of Basecamp messages. So, how do you harness this power? Let's walk through it step by step, from the very beginning. First things first, you need to be logged into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays all the projects you're a part of. The key to sending a message in Basecamp is understanding that messages are inherently tied to a specific project. This is a crucial distinction from general email or chat. It keeps the context clear and ensures that your message reaches the right audience. To send a message, you'll start by navigating to the project where you want to send it. Let's say you're working on a new website launch. You'd click on the website launch project from your dashboard. Once you're inside the project, you'll notice a navigation bar or section dedicated to different tools within that project. Look for messages. It's usually prominently displayed, often alongside other tools like To-Dos, Docs and Files, and Schedule. Click on Messages. Now you're in the message section of your project. Here you'll see a list of all existing messages within that project. To create a new message, you'll look for a button that says something like New Message, Write a Message, or simply a plus sign icon. Click that button. This will open up the Message Composer, your canvas for crafting your communication. It looks much like an email composer, but with some Basecamp-specific enhancements. The first field you'll encounter is the subject line. This is incredibly important. Just like with an email, a clear and concise subject line helps recipients understand the gist of your message at a glance. Think about it. Update is far less helpful than website homepage design iteration to feedback. Be descriptive and to the point. Next, you have the main body of your message, a rich text editor where you can type out your thoughts. Here, you can be as detailed as you need to be. Basecamp's editor offers all the standard formatting options you'd expect. Bolding, italics, bullet points, numbered lists, and even the ability to add links. Use these tools to make your message clear, readable, and easy to digest. Break up long paragraphs, use headings, and highlight key information. Remember, good communication isn't just about what you say, but how you present it. Below the message body, you'll find the Who Should See This Message section. This is where Basecamp truly shines in terms of targeted communication. By default, your message will likely be visible to everyone in the project. However, you have the power to specify exactly who receives a notification about this message. You can choose to notify everyone, or you can select specific individuals or even groups within your project team. This is incredibly useful for messages that are only relevant to a subset of your team, preventing information overload for others. For instance, if you're sending an update about a specific back-end development task, you might only notify the development team rather than the entire marketing team. Now, let's talk about attachments. Sometimes, a message needs more than just words. You might need to share a document, an image, a spreadsheet, or even a video. Basecamp makes this easy. You'll find an Attach Files or similar button. Clicking this will allow you to browse your computer and upload the relevant files. Attached files are then neatly displayed with your message, keeping all related information in one place. This eliminates the need to send separate emails with attachments, further streamlining your project communication. Another powerful feature is the ability to include a to-do list directly within your message. Let's say your message is outlining a series of tasks that need to be completed. Instead of just listing them out, you can click the Add a to-do list option. This allows you to create actionable items directly linked to your message. You can assign these to-dos to specific team members and even set due dates. This transforms a simple message into a collaborative action plan, ensuring tasks are tracked and completed. Once you've crafted your message, added any attachments, specified your recipients, and perhaps even included a to-do list, it's time to send it. You'll see a prominent Post this message or Send button. Click it, and your message will be published within the project's message section. What happens next? Everyone you selected to be notified will receive an alert either within Basecamp itself, via email, or both, depending on their individual notification settings. This ensures that your message reaches the intended audience promptly. The beauty of Basecamp messages doesn't end with sending. Once a message is posted, it becomes a living document. Team members can comment on it, ask questions, provide feedback, and even attach additional files. This creates a threaded conversation, making it easy to follow the discussion and see how a topic evolves over time. You can subscribe to notifications for specific messages, ensuring you stay updated on any new comments or developments. You can also use Basecamp's search functionality to quickly find past messages. This is invaluable when you need to refer back to a specific decision, a piece of feedback, or a document that was shared weeks or months ago. No more digging through endless email threads or sifting through fragmented chat logs. Everything is organized and easily retrievable within the context of the project. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.